BBC legend Bill Buckley announces devastating prostate cancer diagnosis. BBC radio presenter Bill Buckley has announced that he has been treated for prostate cancer. The broadcasting legend, who has been at the BBC since the 80s, also co-presented BBC TVS That's Life program with Esther Ranzen in the 1980s. He has revealed he was treated with HIFU as part of a clinical trial. He told the broadcaster, "I'm one of the very tiny number of people so far who have had this wonderful treatment, and I couldn't have had it if I had been discovered to have cancer late."
Wet boots ruining your mornings? The job site boot dryer uses gentle, fanless heat to quietly dry boots, shoes, and gloves overnight, helping reduce dampness and odor. Want to check today's Amazon deal? Scan the QR code now or visit grabdeal.us/4 before it's gone.
So that old message that people keep banging on about cannot be said too often, go for the regular checks. He was told the news when he was taken to A&E with pains in his leg, as doctors told him he had one of the biggest blood clots, the biggest deep vein thromboses that they had ever seen. Buckley was later prescribed blood thinners, leading him to believe he was out of the woods. But a nurse then told him he had prostate cancer as he prepared to leave his appointment. He said, "She was a lovely nurse, and I don't blame her for saying it that way because I think she absolutely assumed 100% that I did know this, but it had been picked up in the various tests. Suddenly, my world crashed back down again." The BBC star continued, "I'd never looked into prostate cancer, and I think it's very important people remember this. The majority of men die with, rather than of, prostate cancer. It very often just sits there, minds its own business for decades. You don't even know you've got it." Buckley had regular checkups over the next few months for doctors to monitor the cancer's progression, but he was told the worrying news that it had grown larger and he needed treatment. He underwent HIFU treatment in Wexham Park Hospital in Slough, something which he shared his gratitude for, saying he was blessed to be living in the right area to be considered, as he added, "I was born in the right age, even the right decade, because only a few years ago I would have had quite a few weeks or months of feeling pretty wretched."